An important topic for all CMA Inter students. Your mindset has to change. I'll tell you why I'm doing this video. You know, we recently announced something called CMA Inter exam oriented face-to-face batch, and the same online classes. Everything is available with all color books. I received 2 to 3 messages from different students asking, "Sir, is the classes going to be CA oriented or CMA oriented?" Even that question I'm okay with. But the question which made me like think too deep into it is, sir, CMA exam, CMA Inter, the standards are very low. Okay, and the CA exams are standards are very high. We don't want that level of standard. We want a CMA level exam standard that is sufficient. This is what the student is saying. This is what student has asked. I felt very bad. You may be okay for lower quality, but I can't go beyond my quality. When I take up something, whether me or our team members, when we take up some subject, we give the best content, best experience in that. And what the CMA student argument is, because in CMA exams, the paper standards are very normal, it is enough if you cover in a normal way and quickly finish the syllabus. Already our syllabus coverage and all will be very quick, very intense. Entire CMA Inter Group 1 will be somewhere around 350 hours to 400 hours. Group 2 entire CMA Inter will be some 350 to 400 hours, 800 hours. Nobody is giving 800 hours content. I mean, within 800 hours, nobody is giving. Everybody is taking 1,200 hours like that. But we are the only one giving within 800 hours, both the groups, that too with a high quality, high standard coaching. And when the student messages me like this, I feel really bad. Like, you know, in CA or in normal courses, what I notice is, sir, we want the best content, we want more qualitative content, we should face any kind of exam. That's the mindset where they have. Whereas when I interact with many CMS students, what is their mindset is, we don't want that much quality, we don't want that learning and all. Okay, medium, moderate. See, I don't know how many of you know, recently there is a tax audit issue going on between CA and CMA profession, and many CMA students also actively participated in Instagram campaigning, all that. Like, we are also equal to CS, we also want a tax audit, we are no less than anybody. Whereas it comes to classes, when it comes to exam, when it comes to book, everywhere you always know, you always think that you are quite less than CA. That is what your internal feeling. Okay, CA exams are very tough, CMA are very easy. So that's the only reason why you have taken CMA, honestly, right? But you want to claim in the profession, when it comes to profession, you want to say that we are equal to CA, we are equal to CS, we are equal to anybody else. How come? Your mindset have to change. So when it comes to studies, you want to argue that, you want a lower standard exam, lower substandard paper, substandard quality of coaching, substandard material. And when you come into the practice, when you come into the profession, you start comparing with all, you start comparing with CA and saying you're equal to CA, you're more than a CA. How come? My question might hurt somebody, but this is true. You are having two different perceptions of the same subject. We want to remove that, that notion. CMA means the substandard students will not have much knowledge. Okay, they'll qualify easily because many CA failed students only go to CMA, and since they could not succeed in CA they go, and in CMA they'll qualify. This kind of derogatory, inferior talk is there on CMA profession. Technical, I'm telling you, honestly, I'm telling you, in the industry or in anywhere else, you might get a job, you might get a better package sometimes than a chartered accountant. But when it comes to a decision making, when I want a potential strong candidate who is very good at subject, they won't consider CMA. Honestly, I'm telling you, they won't consider. And in this time where job crisis and all is going on across the world, layoffs is going on across the world, economies are slowing down. So obviously jobs are losing jobs. Many tech people find, all other professions, they're losing jobs. Finance also will affect. Or if tech people itself is not there, when they couldn't bring the business, where is the business to give a finance guy as job? And that time what companies do, they only hire a candidate who can handle ultimate amount of pressure, ultimate amount of knowledge, who has. And by the way, even CMA Institute has recognized this. In the past 4 attempts, you can check from 2022 new syllabus onwards, you can check. Just open the papers and check. The paper standard has been steadily improving, steadily they are increasing. They are no more giving you a straight question, easiest question so that you can qualify. Even you see the pass percentage also they're regulating, in the sense, of course they won't fail, but they value the paper strictly. Even if you give a slight deviation, even if you give 50% only correct answer, you don't even get any mark. That is the level at which papers are being valued even in. And coming to our classes, we don't bother whether you're a CA or CMA. Suppose if, for example, Ganesh Bharadwaj sir is there in our faculty, marginal costing chapter is teaching. Whether you're a CA student or CMA student, by the way, our classes to CMA students are exclusive. We only give them for a CMA students. Materials itself is exclusive, man. Forget about classes. Material itself is different. Our CA material, CMA material will not match. Only tax material will be same for both. In entire India, tax material will be same for everybody. Class will also be same. Just that in CMA, we will solve CMA inter-study material questions also for making you understand CMA inter-study material problems also. But remaining 7 subjects in CMA out of 8, tax 1 subject, remaining 7, these are all exclusive materials for CMA, exclusive classes. For example, a faculty, if at all, is taking marginal costing, his only effort is to make you understand the chapter in the best possible manner so that any question that you get in exam, you can answer. Whether you are a CA student or CMA student, it doesn't matter. Maybe the material given to you is different. Maybe the order in which the classes will be taken for CMA students is different. Maybe the logics might be slightly vary, because every class logics will vary. The faculty cannot give as it is explanation every time. So it might be it will be improving always. And when Sai Babu sir accounts is taking the class, he will also do the same. Okay, he will not bother whether you are CA or CMA. For example, there is a chapter consignment. Okay, in CMA Inter, I think consignment chapter is there, or Ind AS is there in corporate accounting. His only effort was to make you understand Ind AS in a best possible manner. And I am taking tax. Subramaniam sir is taking law. Mani sir is taking FM. In all of us, the common agenda is whatever topic is given in the CMA book, we want to make you understand it to the best, so that any question in the exam you can answer. In fact, the kind of coaching that we give, you get an all India rank. Forget about passing and all is nothing for our students. Okay, you just get an all India rank. That is the kind of coaching that we give. Ask anybody who enrolled into CMA Inter with us, they will tell you what kind of quality that we give, what level of clarity and conceptual focus that we give. And you are asking a substandard product, sir, don't give that much quality, reduce it, because for CMA, what does it mean? See, if I give you a very, 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 very low level of knowledge, if at all paper comes tough, it will be difficult for you to face. But if I give you a very good amount of understanding, conceptual command, the best way, easy papers are you just like breeze for you. It's just a very easiest thing for you. And tough papers, of course, you can handle. That's what we are making you ready for. So change this attitude. Tomorrow, when you want to compete with a profession like CA, CS, or any other profession for that matter in finance, I'm telling you, your mindset will place an important from the classroom, from the studies itself. Change your attitude. This will not be the right attitude. That's it. Okay. I just want to tell this. And we have launched recently face-to-face session at Chennai. From Monday, 18th August onwards, it is going to start. Trust me, guys, the materials are unique for CMA students. The classes are going to be unique for CMA students. And, you will see never before refinement in CMA. The kind of refinement in materials, you can see the material. Just go to Shrestha website, free resources. There you can download CMA Inter, you select. You will find P5 new, P6 new, P8 new, P7, all that materials you will find. Just open and see the material. And face-to-face class, you can directly reach our WhatsApp number. I already gave a video regarding face-to-face at Chennai. Just go through the channel, you will find it. So change your attitude, change your mindset. Let's work hard together. Let's conquer the CMA course, and let's prove to the world that we are nowhere less than anybody. We are very good financial professionals. See, for us, whether you're a CMA or CF, for us, both are equal for us. Both students are equal for us. We just want to make sure whatever profession you have chosen, in that profession you must excel. That is the only motive, and that's the only objective we are working for. Okay, all the very best. Go ahead. I hope you understood my message in a right sense. Here, I'm not here to offend anybody or degrade anybody, but your mindset has to be changed. When it comes to profession, you're saying you're more than a C. When it comes to studies, you're blaming anybody. You don't want to take that much knowledge. You don't want to take that much quality. You want to satisfy just with a substandard quality.